Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have completed almost all of our syllabus. So today we will discuss about the exercise of the cell chapter. Okay, what is the? So let's start from the first question of this chapter. So first question, make a comparison and write down the ways in which plant cells are different from the animal cells. So there are so many differences present between the plant cell and animal cells. You have already learned about that. So what will be the answer of the first question? The difference between the plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, obviously they have a definite shape, okay, have a definite shape or rectangular shape. So plant cells have a definite shape or rectangular shape, but the animal cells may be round or may be irregular in shape, okay. First one, you can give the difference between the shape, that is plant cells are round or irregular in shape and the plant cells are rectangular or definite shape and the animal cells are irregular or round in shape, okay. Second one, plant cell contains cell wall but the animal cell does not contain any type of cell wall. Cell wall, animal cell does not contain cell wall, okay. So this is the difference number 2. Number third one, plant cell contain plastid, animal cells do not have any type of plastid, so that's why plants are green in color but animal cells do not contain any type of color pigments, okay. Number 3, contain plastid, animal cell does not contain plastid, okay. Number 4, the plant cell contains large vacuole and the animal cell contains less number of vacuoles, small size in small and large number of vacuoles, okay. vacuoles are large and less in number. Number 4, vacuoles are large and less in number. Number 4, vacuoles are small in size and large in number. Nucleus in the plant cell, as the vacuoles are large in number, so nucleus are present just aside of the cell, but in the case of the animal cell, nucleus are present at the center of the cell. Okay. So there is so many differences are present between the animal cell and plant cell. First one, they are irregular in shape, they are rectangular in shape, they does not contain plastid, they contains plastid. The nucleus are present at the center of the cell, nucleus are present at the aside of the cell, and centrosome is present in animal cell, centrosome is present in absent in plant cell. So differences so much, you can write down 3 or 4 maximum. Okay. So we have completed the first part of that question, that is the comparison. Comparison means you can give the similarity and dissimilarity both. They both are contain cytoplasm, they both are contain cell membrane. Okay. So the make a comparison and write down the way plant cells are different from animal cell. How is a prokaryotic cell are different from eukaryotic cell? What is prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell? The cell which have primitive types of nucleus or nucleus without nuclear membrane, that is called prokaryotic cell, and eukaryotic cell means there was a well developed nucleus is present in the eukaryotic cells. Okay. Number 2, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. So first one, nucleus present without nuclear membrane. Number 1, nucleus present with nuclear membrane. Okay, first one. Second one, only one chromosome is present. More than one chromosome is present. Okay, so prokaryotic cell, nucleus present without nuclear membrane, nucleus present with nuclear membrane, only one chromosome is present, more than one chromosome is present, and no membrane bound cell organelles are present. Okay, or you can write down number 3, membrane bound cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are present. Okay, so you can give these 3 main difference between a prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic means primitive karyon nucleus, so they contains primitive nucleus without the nuclear membrane, and the eukaryotic, that is the nucleus, advanced nucleus with nucleus membrane. Okay, and it contains only one chromosome on DNA present in any type of virus and bacterial body. You can, that is called nucleoid. There is no nucleolus is present, and but in the case of the eukaryotes, there is more than one chromosome is present and nucleolus also present. And the membrane, any type of membrane bound cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi body, anything, that is totally absent in the prokaryotic cells, and that is present in the eukaryotic cells. Okay, so move to the next question. What would happen if the plasma membrane rupture and break down? So, if the plasma membrane rupture or break down, then the cell is damaged, and in such condition lysosome of the damaged cell may burst and digestive enzymes present in lysosome will death of the cell. Obviously, if there is plasma membrane rupture, plasma membrane surrounded the whole total content of the cell. If the plasma membrane will be the ruptured, the lysosome also will be ruptured, and the digestive juices present in the lysosome that digest the another cell components. Okay, they get digested their own cell, so the result will be the death of the cell. Okay, so what would happen if number 3, if plasma membrane is ruptured the cell will be destroyed. The lysosome also ruptured and release digestive enzymes which, so the plasma membrane is ruptured, the cell will be destroyed, the lysosome also ruptured and released digestive enzymes which digest their own cell. So, the result is the cell will be died. Okay. Which digest their own cell. As a result, the cell will be died. Okay. So, this is the answer of the question number 3. Next question, what would happen if the life of a cell there is no Golgi apparatus? So, what is the functions of the Golgi apparatus? That is the storage, modification and packaging of the products in the vesicle. If there is no Golgi apparatus in the cell, all sort of storage, packaging, dispatch material within and outside would be impossible. Okay. So, the functions of the Golgi apparatus, that is the হবে না এত বদমাইশি করে আমার এদের ক্লাস নিতে একদম ভালো লাগে না তো রেকর্ডিংটা তো কেটে গেল হ্যাঁ অন আচ্ছা ওকে সো the next question, what would happen if there is Golgi apparatus is absent? Okay, so that if Golgi body is not present in the cell, it is the packaging and storage and modification, packaging, storage and modification of materials will be impossible. The Golgi body is not present in the cell, there will be no packaging, no storage and modification of the materials will not be occurring. The Golgi body also helps in the formation of the lysosome, so there no lysosome also not be, and lysosome also will not be formed. Okay. কমপ্লিট করে দিই। Okay, so up to for today we will continue the next exercise in our next class. Thank you very much everyone.